This video is going to show you how you can check out your real battery percentage on iPhone, so follow my steps. If I go over to my main settings page and then hop over to the battery section, then battery health, you can see that my maximum capacity is 95%, but this is not the real precise number. What you want to do instead is hop over to your web browser and then type iPhone battery shortcut in the search bar. Open this link, and I'll make sure to leave this website link in the description of the video. You then want to click on this blue link in order to download the shortcut to the Shortcuts app. Click on Add Shortcut, and then this is the most important step. Open the settings, scroll and tap on Privacy and Security. Then Analytics and Improvements. Analytics data. Now we're looking for the most recent date on this list. In my case, it's December the 3rd. Tap on Share at the top right, and then find the Battery Stats option. This is going to open a page where it will show you your real battery stats, and in my case, it's 90% of battery health. Tell me in the comments down below, how much is your real battery health? And leave a like if this video was useful to you.